This is Play with Buzz, and we're going to teach you how to make s'mores.
First step, put your marshmallow on the stick.
We don't have graham crackers, so we used cookies instead. Second step, you have to put it
Step
over
2, over the fire.
But make sure you're
It doesn't-
twirling it over the coals.
And make sure it doesn't catch on fire.
Ah!
No, it's on fire!
You got it like that.
Yeah.
My thing burnt,
Probably.
and I did exactly what I didn't want to do.
Yeah.
That's annoying. Wow, this dude over here is the perfect one. Hey Levi, why don't we switch?
No.
Yeah.
I always get the.
I thought you would like the burnt ones.
I do not. Does that look done?
No.
Is that done?
No,
Keep
it's
going.
not done.
It's smoking.
Puff, please.
It's puffing.
Without going on fire.
It's puffing.
Mine is too.
Yours is really puffing. Mine's not really.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's jiggling.
It should puff up whenever it's done.
Mom,
Then
it's really
you get the
jiggling. Mom, it's jiggling. Mom,
We put the cookie on the marshmallow, and there's a Hershey chocolate on the two.
mine is
and
just perfect.
s'mores.
Mine is just perfect.
S'more.
Isn't it? Isn't it perfect?
Now,
Oh,
Did you want this
begin
cookie or
eating.
these cookies?
I'll try the cream first, and then the cookie.
Do you want chocolate on there?
What? There's just one piece.
half.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Really good? Super duper good? Yeah. Is it better than the small?
This is my perfect one. And
It's crunchy.
really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that came out perfect.
Thank you. I have cream on here.
Cool.
You gonna turn around and show everybody?
Yummy.
That is good. There's cream on this one.
Delicious. Perfectly cooked.
S'more. Mom, you should try this. It's so good.
I'm okay.
With the cream on it. Tastes a little vanilla-ish.
No?
It is crunchy.
Please like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for more content so you know that we make more videos.
And that is how you make a s'more. That's how you make a s'more. This is delicious.
Please like and subscribe to this video.
Really, Levi?